Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a video. Some of us are still having a little bit of trouble of figuring out what we should be doing once we're on IXL. So everybody has a username and password. If you don't have your username and password, just shoot me an email and I can get that to you. So once you've logged in for the very first time, you have this page that says recommendations. Try to scroll out so you can see the whole screen. So to the right side of your screen, this is where you need to focus. It says 19 skills suggested by your teacher. So I went ahead and created a student account for me so that I can show you how to navigate through this. So I'm going to click on those 19 skills suggested by me, the teacher, okay? And here they all are from the very beginning to the end. So if we scroll down, they are in order of when I posted them. So you can see right here, volumes of cylinders, that's from week 1. Volume of cubes, that's week 1. Week 2. Week 2, week 2. Right? So these go up by weeks, and some of these for some reason got posted twice, looks like. And so here's the translations, reflections, rotations, so that's into week 3. Rating the graphs of the circles, that's week 4. Completing the square, that's week 5. And the multiply, so there's week 5 stuff. So when you're going to practice, these are the skills that I'm recommending based on the instruction that I've been providing. Okay, these right here, right, like these are just for you to explore. So level A would be kindergarten. Okay, level N then would be more high school skills. So these are all mixed in. These I'm pulling. These are coming from geometry and algebra standards. So these are high school skills. If you were to click on that, let's just click on level K. Okay, so it's just giving you a variety of problems that you can try, and then everything gets recorded. And then I can see what math you are doing. So this is a student page, but I see a different page. I actually see what it is that you were working on. So let's just go to the complete the square. So that was the skill from this week. And then it's asking you to fill in the number that makes this true. So you may want paper in order to help you with this, right? So we know to complete the square, we need to take half of this number and then square it. So half of negative 30 is 15. And so 15 squared is 225. So then I type in 225 and I hit submit. And it tells me that I got the right answer. So I'm going to hit the wrong answer here. So half of 24 is 12, and I'm going to say, oh, that's 141. I know that's wrong. And then let's see what happens. Sorry, it's incorrect. And then here's an explanation, right? So it's offering you some help, which is awesome. So if you didn't understand how to do this and you got it wrong, then when you just scroll down, they're gonna help you out. So here's more notes based on what I already have showed you in the video. So if you do 5 of those problems and you get them right, awesome. If you do 5 of those problems and you get them all wrong, then I suggest you go back and rewatch the video and try again. Okay? Hope that helps, and have a great day.